Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of academic writing with a comprehensive guide on crafting an outstanding review paper. Whether you're an undergraduate student working on your first major research assignment or a seasoned grad student aiming to get published, this video will equip you with expert guidelines to elevate your writing game. Writing a review paper can seem daunting, but I promise it doesn't have to be a stressful endeavor. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, exploring valuable tips and strategies along the way. From understanding your assignment to polishing your final draft, consider this your roadmap to crafting a review paper that truly shines. So, grab your notebooks, a warm beverage, and let's get started. Before we even think about keywords or diving into databases, we need to make sure we fully understand the task at hand. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start laying bricks without a blueprint, right? Carefully read through your assignment guidelines, paying close attention to the objective, scope, and formatting requirements. If there's anything you're unsure about, don't hesitate to reach out to your professor for clarification. Remember, a strong foundation is key to a successful review paper. Now for the fun part. Picking a topic. Ideally, you want to choose something that genuinely interests you. This will make the research process much more engaging. I recommend brainstorming at least 3 potential topics and doing some preliminary research on each. Are there enough scholarly sources available? Has the topic been extensively covered? Or is there room for a fresh perspective? Choosing the right topic can make all the difference. With the topic in hand, it's time to create a roadmap for your paper, your outline. Start by listing the main sections, typically including an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Then break down each section into subsections, creating a logical flow of ideas. This doesn't have to be set in stone. You can always adjust it as you go. The goal is to have a framework to guide your research and writing. This is where the real work begins. Start gathering your research materials. Look for peer-reviewed articles, books, and reputable sources that are relevant to your topic. As you read, highlight key findings, important data, and compelling arguments. Don't be afraid to take thorough notes. These will be invaluable as you write your paper. Now, let's get organized. Create a spreadsheet to compile your research notes. This will make it much easier to synthesize and analyze the information later on. Include columns for the article title, author, key findings, and any relevant quotes or data. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this. Remember that outline we created earlier? It's time to put it to good use. Go through your spreadsheet and start mapping your research notes to the corresponding sections of your outline. If you come across any information that doesn't quite fit, create a miscellaneous category. You can always find a place for it later or decide it's not essential. Sometimes, a visual representation can be incredibly helpful. Create a mind map with your main topic at the center. Branch out with subtopics and connect ideas using lines or arrows. This will help you see the relationships between different arguments and identify which ones have the most support in the literature. Your outline is about to get a whole lot more detailed. Sort your spreadsheet based on the sections of your paper. Now start filling in your outline with the information you've gathered. Incorporate key findings, statistics, and arguments, making sure to cite your sources meticulously. It's time to weave together all your hard work into a cohesive narrative. Use your detailed outline and refer back to your spreadsheet for specific information and reference numbers. Remember to write in manageable shifts, ideally no more than 6 hours at a time, to maintain focus and avoid burnout. Congratulations on finishing your first draft. Now take a break and come back with fresh eyes. Reread your paper carefully, focusing on grammar, clarity, and flow. Make sure your citations are properly formatted according to APA guidelines, and double check that all your references are accurately listed in your bibliography. Having a fresh perspective can be incredibly valuable. Ask a friend, colleague, or professor to proofread your paper. Encourage them to be as thorough as possible, highlighting any areas that might be unclear, need more evidence, or could be improved. You're almost there. Carefully consider the feedback you received from your second reader and incorporate any necessary amendments. Read through your paper one last time to catch any lingering errors. Make sure it's formatted according to your professor's instructions and submit your work with confidence. And there you have it. Follow these expert guidelines and you'll be well on your way to writing an outstanding review paper. Good luck. Remember, writing a review paper is a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Embrace the process, seek feedback, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more academic writing tips and share this video with your fellow students. Until next time, happy writing.